Hey guys, I'm Gab. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about personal finance and investing. Just a full disclosure before we begin, I'm not a professional, so I do these videos just for my own edification, and these videos are for recreational educational purposes only. If you're seeking a professional, I suggest that you go and seek a professional for your investment needs. So in today's video, I actually have my M1 Finance Pie pulled out here. So today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update, a monthly update of my M1 Finance portfolio performance. So just an overview, I bought fractional shares of Amazon and Tesla back in October 15th. I added $300 and that's it. After that, subsequent updates were just dividends that I've been receiving from my stocks. So today, overall, my current value of my investment portfolio through M1 is $21,409.36 with a market gain of $6,754.61. So, and then a total gain of $6,892.65. That's with the earned dividends that I've earned from my equities, which is $138.04. So overall, my total return percentage is 65.30, so roughly about 65%. Right there. So overall, I'm happy because it's trending up. I know there's bumps here and there because of the election, but for me, I don't care who wins, either the Democrats or the Republicans. For me, I'm just gonna keep adding money into my portfolio because I'm in it for the long term, plus 10 years or so. So I don't care who the president is, as long as I'm adding money into it and the stock market keeps going up, and I'm all good. So that's the overview of my M1 Finance. So let's go look into the holdings. So holdings, right? I have 62 positions, cost basis of $14,654.78. Then my total value of my portfolio, as previously mentioned, it is $21,409.36 with an unrealized gain of $6,754.58. So holdings percentage is a little bit different with the overview. The total return I have based on holdings percentage, my gain is 46.09%. So because there's two different readings that I've been getting from M1 Finance, so I'm towards the conservative side, so I've been leaning towards the holdings percentage. So overall, my M1 Finance is yielding me roughly $7,000 and 46% with my total current value of my portfolio, which is $21,409.36. With 62 positions, I have the Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Abivai, the Meta's portfolio stocks that I previously mentioned in my previous videos, which is going to be up here. I talked about why I'm investing in those six stocks. It's because they're growth stocks and there's going to be a lot of potential for them to grow. If you want to watch that, why I'm investing into Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Abivai, Store, and Square, you'll find it right here. So that is just a quick update on my M1 Finance portfolio performance. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment down below and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And if you're an old-time subscriber, thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, I'm Gab, where I talk about personal finance and investing. I'm not a professional. My goal is to provide value to you guys by you asking me a question down below, and I'll try to answer as much as possible based on my experience and based on my know-how from my past experience in investing. So if you have any questions, comment down below. If you guys like this video, click like, and please consider subscribing to the channel. It gives me a boost in providing more value to the YouTube community, especially the investing field. So if you like this video, click like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.